Hello everyone, I would like to introduce how to use TViX Web Remote. This is a new interesting feature. You can control your TViX multimedia player with your laptop, smartphone like iPhones, Android or iPad. These are all possible to use. If you have AV receiver in your home, you don't need to turn on TV while you are listening music with TViX. Before using TViX Web Remote, you need to have TViX multimedia player and router. How to find for the TViX IP? First, you need to check the detailed IP address on your TViX. So try to go to Setup first, Setups, and click. And there is some icon comes out. Try to go to Network and TViX Network Info and Wire Information, and then enter. And the pop-up window comes up. The IP address is inside of the pop-up windows. So you need to remember for this IP address. And then let's go back to the main menus. And there's another way to find for the TViX IP address. Please try to go to Movie folders and then put your info button on your TViX TViX regular remote control, and the pop-up window comes up, and the TViX IP also shows in here. So if you remember this, and then let's try to go back to the main menus. And let's have a look how to use for the iPhone with a TViX web remote. As you see, there's a many icons. So you need to first tap the setup icon first. And the Wi-Fi comes out, and in the bottom up there, you need to choose network. So choose the TViX CS. And then back to the main. And then tap the Safari, the top on the bottoms. And in the search windows, if you tap in, and then you need to put the IP address which you already confirmed on the TViX. So I already put the IP address, so we just need to tap on Go. And after you tap on Go, the TViX web remote image comes out. So let's tap on the TViX web remote image. There's a movies, music folder, and setup. The icon comes out, so you can choose if you want to see the movie, and then you can just tap on the movies. And as you see, the image is exactly same on iPhone and on your TVs. This is the same. So let's try to choose some to look at some movies. Can you tap on the movie? If you tap on the movies, there's many images comes up, but the image exactly iPhone and the TV is exactly the same. And this image we call for the cover art for the TViX. The TViX cover art provide your movie is matching with the image. So if you try to go to one of these files, try to go to transform. The movie's image comes out on the left side, and the titles, and then simple synopsis comes up here, and casting and drag information, and movie length, and the evaluation point for the rating movies, all comes out in here. And then let's tap on the icon for the play icons, and the movie image comes up on your iPhone, and the movie just simply playing. If we want to control more on your iPhone with for the playing the TViX, please you can tap on the control on the top, and then the control button comes out. This is exactly same as for the TViX regular remote control. Let's try to do some functions. Can you tap the fast forward? So it goes fast forward now. And can you tap for the play buttons? and it shows us just playback. And can you tap one more time for the play buttons, and then you simply pause. And I think we can start for this movie, and then try to go back. And in the main menu, let's have a look for the music. This when you tap the music, and then if you set up for all the cover art on your album on each album folders, and then this is show the same image on your iPhone and the TV. So you can choose any music. So try to choose any music you can. Okay, and then play for the simple on the list, and the music just simply playing. So when you turn off the TVs, the music still comes out because we connected with AV receivers. So while you are listening to the music, you don't need to come front to the TV, and then you just simply control for with your iPhones. So can you stop the music? This all you can do on iPad. So I'll show you the iPad. For the iPad, for the image, the main menu is the same as for the TViX. So this is all for the TViX web remote control, all the functions. So I hope you enjoy for the TViX multimedia player. Thank you.